welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the drummer girl or the habits TikTok trend, which is very popular. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now, let's go. The first step we're going to do, there are two different ways. If you have a t-shirt on, you can go like this. And if you don't have a t-shirt on, if you have, for example, a top or a crop top or anything, you can go like this. 1, okay? So we're gonna do it 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So the palm of our hand first looks towards us, then towards the camera, then towards us again, and then towards the camera again. So it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And all together it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. After this, we're gonna do a very quick whoa. It's not one of those whoas where we go like this very slow. No, it's gonna be a fast one. Whoa, and then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's gonna be pretty fast, so it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so just practice that faster. And then after this, we're gonna go 1, 2 without our hands. 1, 2, and then we're gonna go whoa, cross. Okay, let's do everything from the beginning, and then we'll move on because we have 2 moves left, and that's it. The only thing we have to practice later is the speed, but you'll get that easily. And now, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, whoa, cross. Okay, now the same thing, but a little bit faster. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, whoa, cross. Okay, so after we did the whoa, cross, the last 2 moves that we're gonna do is 1, we go in, and then we're gonna go out again, and we're gonna go like this. So our hands do boom, and then they go out slow. They do like a circle, right? Once again, 1, 1, like that. And all together from here, it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, like that. Practice again. 1, 2. Okay, and now let's do that all together because that's the whole dance. So we're gonna do it twice. Once slow, once fast, and we're done. First, we're gonna do it slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Whoa. Cross. 1, 2. That's it. And now the same thing but faster. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1,